So, you're thinking about using Expensify to streamline your expense management? Great choice. But here's the burning question, is Expensify still free? Let's dive right in. Expensify has been a popular choice for individuals and businesses alike, offering a user-friendly platform to automate expense reporting. It simplifies the process by automatically capturing receipts, categorizing expenses, and generating expense reports. However, like many other software tools, Expensify has evolved over time. The free plan, a closer look. While Expensify does offer a free plan, it's important to understand its limitations. The free plan is designed for individuals and small teams with basic expense tracking needs. It allows you to scan receipts, easily scan paper receipts using your smartphone camera. Create expense reports, generate expense reports quickly and efficiently. Integrate with other tools, connect Expensify to other tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and more. However, the free plan comes with certain restrictions, such as limited features. You won't have access to advanced features like policy enforcement, custom workflows, and real-time analytics. Storage limits. You may have limitations on the number of receipts you can store and the size of your expense reports. Support limitations. The level of support you receive may be limited compared to paid plans. Paid plans, unlocking the full potential. To unlock the full potential of Expensify, you may need to consider upgrading to a paid plan. Expensify offers a range of paid plans to suit different business needs, including Team Plan, ideal for small and medium-sized businesses. The Team Plan offers additional features like custom workflows, advanced reporting, and increased storage limits. Corporate Plan, designed for large enterprises. The Corporate Plan provides comprehensive expense management capabilities, including policy enforcement, real-time analytics, and dedicated support. The verdict, is Expensify still worth it? While Expensify's free plan is a great option for individuals and small teams with basic needs, businesses looking for advanced features and comprehensive expense management may need to invest in a paid plan. Key takeaways. Expensify offers a free plan with basic features. Paid plans unlock advanced features and increased storage limits. The best plan for you depends on your specific needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.